Playing some Focus. Wait for the protection circuit to come in. The delay circuit. Turn on the speakers. Cut them off when power is disconnected. Got the white oak audio control board in it. Got white and blue LEDs. I had two of each for each channel, so 2 white, 2 blues. It looks pretty cool. And I got the wood cabinet here. I'm not going to put that in there yet until I get the protection circuit. Probably also put some 1/4 amp fuses in there for the AC element of speaker output. The protection circuit will take care of the DC offset and any DC voltages that are present, but I don't think I'm going to have any issues with this now. Even bought a spare unit for parts. Got about $1,000 invested in this damn thing. Part of my youth. Act 4 Ski Lodge power amplifier. Well, one like it. This little Rat Shack watt meter's cool. I only paid $2 for it at a swap meet. Got people trying to sell this thing for $50 and $100. Between $50 and $100 or more on eBay. They're crazy. Cute little meter. Anyway. Plus the rest of the system. The bottom units, I just use that as a remote volume control. That's a sound processor by Yamaha. Adcom preamp tuner, SAE click filter, Realistic Lab 300 and or CEC 300 turntable, and a Sony CD player playing an MP3 stick. With some Paraclips heresies across the bedroom. Anyway. The monster is alive. Again.